Hello guys, I have modified the script, the AI script of this package, and now the car also has audio source in it and simple car engine sound. If you play the scene, it will go like this. You can set the 3D sound setting. You can make it 3D sound, 3D audio or 2D audio. Maybe 3D audio like this. Oh, the audio is so low. Whatever. Now it has audio, engine audio with it. I have exported the package and the link will be on the same link as what I have shared yesterday on my previous video. This is the package and I'm going to import it to my own game scene, which is this one. I will try to place it here. For example, I'm going to place it here. Let me import the package, that one that I have modified. Demo scenes demo. Hang on, the old car AI, I should delete the folder. I should delete it completely, then I will import the package again. Select everything, import. Here is the folder and scenes demo. Simply copy. I will simply copy the car object here and paste it on my board. Edit, paste. I need to find where is it. Where is it, man? Okay. Edit, paste. Okay, it is that. I will place it here. No, here. Oh, the car is this big. It's okay. Place it here. Then I'm going to add waypoints. I will create a cube, 3D cube. Where is it? Not inside this object. What? What did I do? Oh, it is here already. Let me remove it. Game edit, paste. This is my car. I place it here. Then I will create a cube, 3D object cube, and this cube will work as waypoint. I name it my WP. Okay, I will copy and paste it this way. The more waypoint, the way it will be better, because it will drive more accurate. Okay, and then while this object is selected, I will lock it on the inspector and drag and drop these objects to this my WP slot. Hang on, let me remove them first. Okay, this way. Now I'm going to play it. As you can see, oh. I forgot to remove the box collider from the cubes. Okay. Let's try again. What the heck? What is wrong with this car? Huh? Hang on. What did I do, man? I just removed the box collider. My WP. Just disable the box collider and let's play it. What's wrong with the car? I hate it. Okay, let's try it again. Let's add let's add few waypoints first without Yeah, sorry guys, the box collider that I have removed is not the box collider of the cubes, but they are the box collider of this car. I'm so stupid. So I have to unlock this object from inspector. Okay, now I select all of this object and remove the box collider. Okay, yeah, sorry for the error. Okay, let's play. Here we are. The car is moving from this waypoint. I think the car is too fast. I need to reduce the max RPM, for example to 100. 100 is okay. Yeah, 100 is okay, guys. Then you need to hide the mesh renderer of the waypoints like this. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and